Hello guys, this is our basic C programming tutorial. This tutorial will discuss about for loop. Previous tutorial we discussed about while loop, and there is a difference between while and for loop. A for loop basically executes several times until the execution is false, and here is some let's see. Here is a initial value and condition and increment. When first we check the initial value with condition. If the initial value is true according to condition, then it will execute block of codes and increment the value of variable. If the value of variable increased greater than condition or condition became false, they'll program will execute. Here is the flow of control for loop. The initial step is execute first and only once, never execute initial step twice. Then second, check the initial value with the condition. That means the condition is evaluated. If this is true, the body of for loop is execute. If false, the body of loop does not execute, and the flow of control jump to the next statement just after for loop. That means when the second statement is when the statement is false, it will go the next execution. That means increase the increment or value next and check with condition. The condition is now evaluated. If it is true, the loop execute and process repeats itself. When the loop is true, it will execute several times and increment the variable value. When the condition is false, then it will stop execution and go out of scope. This is the basic block diagram how for loop works. Initial, condition, increment. When condition is true, execute block of course. Here condition is true, execute block of course and increment the value. If value is true, then execute same code and increment value. If the condition is false, it will stop executing and terminate the program. Let's move the program. Here is a integer type value a. You can take this variable value by assigning or from user, or you can use this as a loop value for a equal 0. This is initial value. Then condition a less than equal 10. If initial value less than equal 10, then it will execute inside for loop code. Then next increase the value of a. If the value of a is true, then execute same block of code. If not, then it will terminate the program and stop execution. Then it was d comma a. That means when initial statement true, check with condition. If condition is true, print a value. Increase the value of a 1. If on is true, if on is satisfy the condition, then it will print 1. It will increase the a value of a 2. If 2 satisfy the condition, it will increase the. If the value of a increase less than or equal 10, that means greater than 10, then program will stop executing. Let's run. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10. Take a new line here. so that we can separate his input from others. Run again. 0 to 10. If we increase the limit 0 to 100 is possible. If we increase the limit 0 to 1000 is possible. So which limit do you need? You can fix it. So 0 to 100. If we increase the value a plus 1, how it will be next? It will next nothing, because this is not the valid increment process, so we don't use like this increment. If you take the limit from user, you can take, then fix another variable, declare another variable and take from user. Printf is basically a command that is used for instruction, so that you can understand what program says. Enter a limit. So scanf modulus d comma ampersand phi. Then we can fix the value of v by writing b. Let's run the program again. Enter a limit. Which limit do you need? We will take limit 13. Then we will get output 0 to 13. This is basically a for loop. So thank you guys for watching. See you.